Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri style spinach and mutton curry or maaz the Palak. It's loaded with goodness of spinach. It's easy to make and tastes amazing. So let's get started. For making this curry, I have taken 2 thinly sliced onions, 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic, or you can use ginger garlic paste also, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. You can adjust it according to your taste, and 2 black cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 cloves, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, and you can use cinnamon stick also. Washed and cleaned spinach, I have chopped it. It's around 1 kg, and oil around 4 tablespoons. So first I start with cooking spinach. For that I have heated up oil in a pan. Once it's heated, I'll be adding all the whole spices, black cardamom, green cardamom, cumin seeds and cloves. Saute them and then add garlic and onions, and if you have ginger garlic paste you can add that. Fry onions properly. Here I have kept medium to high heat. Once they are fried properly, we'll be adding spinach to it. So after adding spinach, I'll be adding salt here. I will give it a good mix, and I have just added salt and whole spices, and I'll cover it and let it cook for some time. Spinach will release its water and it will get cooked in it. Till then I'll show you the meat, what ingredients I have taken for meat. Now I have taken around 750 grams of meat, lamb meat, and then I have taken whole spices that include 2 black cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 cloves and 4 to 5 green cardamoms, and I have taken chopped garlic, salt around 1.5 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, and dry ginger powder 1 teaspoon. Now in a cooker I have taken around 3 glasses of water, and I am adding this meat. So I'll keep high flame here. So we'll remove the scum from this meat. So I'm taking some extra water so that I'll have mutton stock that can be used in other curries also. So once it starts to boil, the scum will come on the surface, so I'll remove it. Here you can see I'm removing it. We'll try to remove as much as we can so that it gets clear. And then we'll be adding whole spices, salt and ginger powder and fennel seed powder, and I will cook it up to 2 whistles. You can go through slow cooking method also. If you have time, you can slow cook it. And I am adding garlic also. So after 2 whistles, here you can see, usually I cook meat up to 3 or 4 whistles, so I'm just cooking it up to 2 whistles so that I can cook it with spinach again, and that way they will get the taste of each other. You can go through slow cooking method, or if you don't have time, you can cook it up to cook it up to fully. So I have cooked it almost, it's 70% done. Now going back to spinach. So spinach has been like this for more than half an hour. So here you can see it has started to release oil now. Oil is visible. Now at this stage I'll be adding other spices that include turmeric powder, ginger powder, fennel seed powder, chili powder, garam masala and coriander powder. You can adjust chilies according to your taste. Some chilies are hot, so you can just adjust according to your taste. Salt and chilies you can always adjust according to your taste. If you like hot gravies, you can add more chilies, or if you like mild, you can add less. So here we have added all the spices and we'll fry it a bit. And then I'll be adding mutton stock and mutton to it. That's already almost 70% done. So I'm adding around 1.5 glass of mutton stock, and I'll be adding meat. So after adding meat, at this stage you can check the salt also, while mutton stock also had the salt and spinach too, so you can see if more salt is needed. And then I'll cover it and let it cook. It will take around 20 minutes. I'm cooking it on low to medium flame. 20 minutes I'll check. Here you can see it's almost ready. So at this stage I'll keep it on high flame, and here you can adjust gravy also. If you want more gravy, if you want gravy like this, you can turn off the flame. So while it has been cooking on the high flame, at this stage I'll be adding a tablespoon of kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves that I have not shown you earlier. It gives a really good flavor. Mix and let it cook more. So here, easy to make and scrumptious spinach and meat curry is ready. Now you will turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. It's served hot with the rice. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.